You are watching the JM channel, and now it's time for the network's sitcom, Jaywill. And then the guy said, "Hell no! I'm not jumping off my roof and landing in that pool." Oh my god, that was a pretty good one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Wow, man, we're having a great day so far.
Yeah. Hey, you got a new Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool, but it's kind of hard to solve.
Yeah. Have you had any luck solving it?
No, I've been solving this thing for about a year, and it's hard as hell, man.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, it's been around for over 20 years. Want to see if I can solve it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, here we go. Look, dude, I almost got it. Look, dude, I got it. Who are you? I am Erno Rubik, creator of the Rubik's Cube. But if you're Erno Rubik, how come you look exactly like me? Well, the reason why is because the reason I look like you is because I looked ugly as frick back then.
Wow. No one of those things are so impossible.
I agree, Will. So, how come you disguise yourself as a Rubik's Cube and come back after someone solves one? Well, the reason I'm here is because I'm here to give people advice. Anytime you need advice, just give me a call by twisting one part of the Rubik's Cube. Okay, take care now. Bye-bye then. Dude, did you hear what he said?
Yeah, man.
Dude, check it out. If we even turn one part of the Rubik's Cube, he'll give us advice. That's weird, man. So even if we're in trouble or something, we'll give him a call, right?
Yeah.
It's time for me to put this away for now. Okay, man, and we must promise that we'll leave this alone for a while. We'll just use it if we want to speak to him. Got it?
Got it.
Come on, let's go out for a while.
Okay.
You know, dude, right now I'm kind of having a weird day.
Yeah.
Where should we go?
I don't know.
Well, let's go to the gas station. Well, we are back from the gas station. What happened to my cube? Dun, da, da, da. Dun, 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 dun. No! I just had this thing solved! How am I gonna talk to Erno Rubik now? What are you talking about, man? I'm right here. Rubik! How the heck did you get there? Well, somehow I found a gateway out of the Rubik's Cube. How the hell is that possible? The only way people could communicate with me is that if they solve the whole thing. Well, how the heck do I know? I finally solved it, but someone around here just mixed it up again. Was it you, Will?
Hell no! I was with you the whole time.
Well, you could have done it magically with your mind.
Well, I'm not the one who actually has telekinesis powers. You are. And I can see through walls and crap. So suck on that!
You take that back, dumbass!
Never in a million years.
That's it, I'm gonna kick your ass! Get up! Oh, my weenus! Oh, my face! Oh, I want to kill you, you son of a dude! Oh, God! Shoot!
You done?
Hell no, I'm not done!
Ting! Stop! King! I always knew you were gonna die young. Alright. Peace.
Well! Oh yeah? Well, I'm gonna kill you no matter what!
No! No! Oh, no!
I'm gonna kill you, you son of a... Hey, what's all the fighting about?
Huh?
Oh, hey, Rubik. Hey, we were just, you know, you're pretty sure you know what you saw, right? Well, of course. Of course, I saw you guys fighting. Now, where the heck have you been? You gotta get me back into the cube. But how can we? We don't know how to solve it anymore. We can't get the whole thing. Look, Jaden, you don't have to solve the whole thing to get me back in there. You can just put me, if you just solve one side, you can get me back in there. Really? Oh my God, come on, Will, get up. Dude, did you hear that?
Yeah, man.
We can actually just solve one side and put Rubik back into that Rubik's Cube.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Okay. See there. See there.
Come on, we don't have all day.
Oh, dude, I'm getting it on it, alright?
Hurry up.
Dude, I'm just getting on it, okay? Yeah, man, this is totally hard. Cool! Well, Rubik, I guess this is it. Yeah, looks like it. Sure is. Here. Goodbye, Jaden. Goodbye, Will.
Goodbye, Erno Rubik.
I am gonna miss that guy.
You know what? I never found out who actually messed up the Rubik's Cube.
Well, we'll find out right after this. Man, we really learned a lot today, haven't we?
Yeah. Don't trust strangers.
Well, yeah, you're right. I mean, the Rubik's Cube is a very hard thing to solve. I still haven't found out who telekinetically mixed it up.
Well, I admit it. It was me.
I should have known it was you. But I'm not gonna kick your ass again. We're best friends.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go somewhere fun. Let's go to Disneyland.
Yeah.